Hello guys, welcome back. So as we already completed our first 4 challenges, let's take up our 5th challenge now, which is implement option pricing within bundles. So once if you launch your playground, click on this app launcher followed by Salesforce CPQ so that you will get this page. So here I'm just gonna click on products and go to recently viewed and change this to all products. And now in this list I'm just going to search as security. So once if you get the result, click on security console and now go to related list. So here in option click on view all, and now next to ROFID key card I'm just gonna click on the product. So this is for RFID key card printer, so just click on this. And here I'm just gonna select edit. So if you scroll down right over here next to unit price, give it as 300 and now click on save. So guys, now click back again and now one more back. So here if you scroll down you will find this option. So here just click on view all again and now you will find this door sensor. Just click on it and click on edit, and here if you scroll down so we have to search for bundle. Let's close this and click on back again and one more back and one more as well. So guys, now just click on the option name which is next to door sensor. So just click on here and now click on edit, so that here you will find bundle next to pricing. Choose this and click on save. And now let's do the same for window sensor as well. Just click back and one more back. So click on the option name next to window sensor, so which is 23. So just click on it and now I'm just gonna click on edit over here. So here if you scroll down you will find this bundle. Just check this followed by save. So that is all about this challenge. Let's come back and click on check challenge. So yeah guys, we have successfully completed this challenge as well. So remaining challenges will be available in the same playlist. Do check that. See you all on next video. Until then, bye bye.